Hi, my name is Matthew Christian from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, today I'd like to talk to you about the proper use and maintenance of a yard weed eater. From time to time, you will find it necessary to re-spool your weed eater. Typically from the factory brand new, your weed eater will come pre-spooled with enough line to last you several times around the house, but eventually it will run out and you're going to need to re-spool it. So let's take a look at how we do that here. On this, you unscrew it clockwise. It's the opposite direction that the unit actually turns, so this one requires that you loosen the lock nut clockwise. I was able to see that by just looking at the nut. It's got a little diagram that says turn clockwise. So we'll spin this nut clockwise. It comes off, and then it allows us to remove the spool assembly itself. Now you can see this is a dual line trimmer. It has two lines, one on each end, as opposed to some electric or some other brands. It only has a single line that comes out. Dual line is a little more effective, tends to last a little bit longer. You don't have to reload them as often. But to re-spool, we'll go ahead and take this one apart just to demonstrate that. Sometimes this can be tricky, so please bear with me. But if this were a new line that we were using, it can only go one way and may vary between manufacturer. But there's slots inside the spool housing where the line inserts, and that's what holds the line to get it started to wrap it around the spool. Again, it can only go one direction. Okay, now it holds it for me. Now that allows me to insert into the housing. You might have to do it a few times to become familiar with it, but it definitely takes patience. It can be frustrating sometimes. Okay, so those tabs that we looked at earlier that are holding the line, got them coming out through the holes. Now I'm going to pull them out from those little tabs, and now I can insert the housing all the way. When it's all the way in, I'll put my lock nut back on, and we're going to screw it on counterclockwise since we took it off clockwise to begin with. And there you go, we're ready for use.